Hey guys, Nora Nightmare here again, and this is just going to be a super short video. I know a lot of people are really into liquid lipsticks, and I do wear liquid lipsticks. I usually wear like a lot of ColourPop, Ultra Satin, but I have a hard time with the ones that are truly matte, like the Kat Von D liquid lipsticks. I don't mind the NYX liquid suede, but even those I find that I need a little bit of like balm or gloss over them. But I did finally find a liquid lipstick that is comfortable and long wearing and makes me happy, and that I find really comfortable and easy to work with. And it's one that you guys have probably heard of. They're a fairly well-known indie brand, Makeup Monsters. Their product is super cute. I'm also wearing one of their highlighters right now, which I really like. But this is one of their liquid lipsticks, and it is in the shade Wolfsbane. And it is actually a true matte, and it's the best. I've been wearing it probably like 4 days a week because I like it so much. So I'm gonna put some on and show you guys how nice it goes on. So I just took the balm off my lips. I really like the applicator shape. So you'll see that the wand is a little bit bent, and then it's got this sort of nifty like triangular shape. I find it's really easy for getting into like the edges, and I find that this lipstick is really good with one stroke. So I'm gonna like lean in real creepy to the camera and throw some on. Okay, so that was one coat, one dip into the tube, so I didn't have to load it up. And check out that coverage. I'm completely obsessed, and this color is everything that I've been dreaming of in a sort of grayish color. I've bought 3 different sort of gray lipsticks. One is a NYX liquid suede, and it's pretty. It's a little bit paler than I wanted. One is the ColourPop Ultra Satin and Marshmallow, which is just straight gray, and it's really pale, and my husband is so diplomatic. He hates telling me that something looks bad, but that one he was just like, So this to me is like my new holy grail. I'm wearing bright eyeshadow and need a neutral lip that isn't bland to go with it. Love. These guys are $15 on the Makeup Monsters site. They're wonderful. They have a lot of coupon codes and promos that go out. So if you hit up their Facebook, you can usually find a promo code. I think I got all my stuff 15% off, which basically wound up covering shipping, so I'll take it. Also, they are cruelty-free, and as far as I know, they are vegan, but don't quote me on that because I might be wrong, but I know for a fact they're cruelty-free. I have pretty much eliminated any product that isn't cruelty-free from my beauty arsenal. So yeah, big ups to Makeup Monsters. I plan on buying a lot more of their lipsticks as soon as I have the time and the extra money. So yeah, definitely worth a look if you haven't checked them out already. As always, feel free to leave comments, ask me questions, post requests for videos that you might want to see in the future, and have a great day.